Alright, last week we looked at parallel slopes. Parallel slopes meant that they had the same slope and went on forever and never touched. So this week we're going to look at perpendicular slopes. Perpendicular slopes means that they intersect and makes a 90-degree angle wherever it is on the graph. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to still use the slope formula. That's when m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So the first thing we're going to do from here is remember to label x1, y1. That's just saying one coordinate. And then x2, y2, another set of coordinates. And then when we substitute, we get y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So I'm going to substitute y2 is 4, and then y1 is negative 2. And then x2 is 6 and x1 is 3. But remember that when it's minus and negative right here, this becomes a plus. A negative and a negative makes a positive. So it becomes 4 plus 2, which is 6. And 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. But remember that all whole numbers are over the number 1, okay? So we need it as in a fraction form when it's a whole number, because when we look at slopes, it's there in fractions. So that means that it's rising 3 and going to the right 1. It says to find the perpendicular slope now, we look at the slope, m is equal to 3, right? 3 over 1. First thing we do is we take the reciprocal. So if you forgot what it means, the reciprocal is when we switch the numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number. So we get 1/3, and then we make it negative. So the slope that is perpendicular to 3 is negative 1/3. That's all you have to do.